Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening chess. Calm and going straight to play than analysis, this is faster than digging through menus. Once there, click the board editor pencil icon. You place pieces directly or paste a FEN string if you already have a position. This saves time and avoids mistakes. Make sure to choose which side to move and check castling and en passant boxes. These settings change legal moves, so set them correctly before moving on. Now you refine the details. Set side to move and explicitly toggle castling rights for king and rooks, because those flags affect future legal moves. Once done, add en passant target square if applicable and update half move and full move counters so the move history and clocks behave correctly. After making these changes, preview the legal moves and run a quick legality check. This prevents illegal check states and gives you confidence. Finally, save and launch. Click play or create game to use the position in a live or practice match, or copy the FEN/share link to send to someone else. Once the game opens, confirm clocks and legal moves work. If anything looks off, return to the board editor immediately. If pieces appear illegal or moves are blocked, recheck castling, en passant, and piece counts. Correcting those typically fixes the issue. If problems persist, reload the editor and re-enter the FEN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.